Hello, good day to you. Welcome to this week's edition of Weekly Forex Podcast. As usual on this channel, we'll run through 9 charts of Forex pairs and metals today on Saturdays. Then on Sundays, we upload weekly stock market forecast on this channel. And in the timeline of this video down below, there's a timestamp of the asset we'll be running through in this video. So I hope you find this video useful in your own analysis and your trading. And I'll see you on the next one. Also, do remember to hit the like button down below on YouTube. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a nice trading week. See you soon. On euro dollar for this week, euro dollar is still accumulating with this climb upside. I'm still expecting this drop back down to at least give us this flat, and then we'll see if they will go back up. Although I personally prefer this drop to be the start of a wave of this nature here. So I'm still biased towards sell for euro dollar this week. Resume to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, this can give us a flat like this and give a retest of this top before the drop, or this can be the start of a smaller flat here for major drop downside. Either way, I'm interested in sell setup on euro dollar for this week. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame, I want to watch out for sales. This says that I think we not drop far to come back up for this flat here for it to return. On pound dollar for this week, pound dollar at present has been accumulating back upside, and I think after this accumulation we'll see this drop out of this trend line to this low. So this is the major sell that we're looking out for on pound dollar. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame they have been correcting here for quite some time. So I think they will spike upside, they test this top, and then drop back down for us with sell setup. So we want to look out for sell setups this week on pound dollar as they develop sales downside. Resume to 1-hour time frame. After this, whatever accumulation they're doing here, I think this is spiking upside and will come back down with a nice sell setup for downside. So we want to watch out for that as it develops this week. Sell setup on pound dollar. On Aussie dollar for this week, Aussie dollar at present has been in this, they gave us this flat climbs and they have been correcting once again here. So I still expect them to retest this top before they will drop back down, as I think they are making this as an A, B, and C flat for more upside. So we'll still watch out this week for this climb back to the top. Resume to 4-hour time frame on Aussie dollar. On the 4-hour time frame, I said this to return to the top, either as this flat, or they can drop back down to make this A, B, C, and then return back to the top. So we want to watch out for that buy on Aussie dollar for this week. Resume to 1-hour time frame. And the 1-hour time frame, because of this accumulation here, I think this drop on New Zealand dollar for this week. New Zealand dollar has been accumulating right at the top, so I think this week it is giving us a drop back down, a feeder form, as I don't see this as all the corrective structure. I think the another pullback is coming through on New Zealand, so I want to watch out for this opportunity. Resume to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I'm looking out for this drop to drop down deep. It can still give us this as a running flat, although I don't expect that for a retest for the bigger drop downside. I'm looking for big sell downside on New Zealand dollar. On the 1-hour time frame, it has given a sell setup here and it's dropping already. On Monday can spike back upside a bit for this drop will happen. I want to watch out for this sell opportunity on New Zealand dollar for this week. On dollar sweets for this week, dollar sweets has been accumulating correctively downside for an up push. So want to wait out for when they will through with this correction to continue this buy upside. Resume to 4-hour time frame on dollar sweets. On the 4-hour time frame, this was the A wave downside, and since then they've been accumulating positions here, and I think they are preparing for a flat here for one more drop down before they will start the climb upside. So want to wait out when they are through with this accumulation, they will give a drop before the buy will start back up. Resume to 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, this is the A wave of the bigger B, and I think they will drop down, tag the low, come back upside to complete this flat for us before that drop will happen somewhere in this range for the C wave of the big correction. On dollar yen for this week, dollar yen on the daily has been dropping aggressively downside, so we want to watch, as I don't think this is a running flat, and they will accumulate here, give a test of this low, and come back with buy setup upside. So we still look out for the buy opportunity after the retest of this low. Resume to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, this is a big sideways correction at the moment. So after this accumulation here, I think a drop is incoming before it's climb back upside to complete this flat and retest this low. So this week they will retest this low before they come back upside for us with buy setup on dollar yen. Resume to 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, they have just been resting here. I think they will drop back down, come back up, and drop more. So on dollar CAD for this week, dollar CAD at present, after this climb upside, has been correcting the climb, and I think after the correction, more upside will come through on dollar CAD for this week. So if we resume to 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we want to watch this correction at the moment. This correction is not over. I think they will be here for a while before they will drop back down to give A, B, C, and then resume the climb upside. So we want to watch out for that on dollar CAD. Resume to 1-hour time frame. On the 1 hour, we expect this to correct here, give this climb to complete this flat before the drop downside will come through. So to watch out for dollar CAD this week. On gold for this week, gold at present is still in this corrective structure here, as I think they will complete this flat before they return back downside. So watch out for this flat that they are making at the moment. Resume to 4-hour time frame on gold. On the 4-hour time frame, I see this as A wave, and this was the B. So I expect this climb to correct here and complete the structure by returning to the stop level, 1900 level, after which more downside to come through on gold. So if we resume to 1 hour time frame, watch out for the correction, and at present this is already that ABC flat, but I think they can correct here, drop once more, and then take off for the buy. So by Monday, Tuesday, some buys on gold, so I want to watch out for that for this week. On silver for this week, silver on the daily is also in a similar ABC structure for more drops downside. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on silver, we want to watch out. This was the A wave and this is the B wave. So we'll watch them give us a flat here and then return to the 25 level before the big drop will come through downside. So this week we'll watch out for a buy based on silver back to this level before the sale will come through. Within to 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour, I think they are making a flat here. This is the impulse of the flat. Expect the correction and the drop before this climb back to 25 will come through. So I want to watch out for that on silver for this week. So that is it. Have a nice weekend and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.